Hey, how do you become a traveler? I've had someone ask me this question not once, a few times. And let's talk about it. My name is Anthony Mwerore. I come from Kenya. I'm here in Greece right now. I've been to a few countries, not so many. Like I have known other people who've been in so many countries, but at least I've traveled to one or two, three, four, several. So I can talk about that. I can share those experiences, and this is why I started this channel, where I can share a bit about that, about the other, and traveling. Just like anything else that you may know of, anything else that you may be doing right now, everything is all a matter of mindset. What do you think about the idea of coming from where you are? Maybe that's what we'll call your comfort zone, and being in another place that you may not have ever heard of before, or a place that you've heard of before, but then you didn't imagine yourself being there at some point, but then you now go there. It all starts from the mind, with your idea of how that could be. Imagining yourself in that other place, discovering new things, knowing about different cultures. It's something that you should be thinking on a frequent basis. That's how you become what it is that you imagine of. And then you start. You just do it. And you don't have to do it big. I've had people who've always dreamt of going to a distant land, something that they've been seeing on TV or maybe in the movies, and then they say, hey, I would want to one day to go to that place. And it can be anywhere on the planet. I've had people who want to go to the US, others to the UK. I've gone to Europe, and I've had people who are saying, hey, I would want one day to go on a safari. But they haven't been to a landmark that is about 5 kilometers away. Oh, no, that's so far. I've had people, but I've seen people who have a landmark, a major worldwide known site that is maybe within their town. They've never been there. You start small. Start by going to the nearest place that you can be. If you're in the village, start by going to your nearest village, meeting new people, talking about ideas. And then you grow. You come from the village, you visit a nearby town, and the more you do it, the more you gain the confidence of learning new things, meeting new people, those that you've never met, and you keep growing. And now talk about crossing borders, going abroad. Do you have a passport? That's where we all start. Because I've had people who say, I would love to travel, but they don't have a passport. Do you have a passport? That's where it starts. So if you've been thinking of traveling, of maybe going abroad, the first point that you start with, if you've been doing it locally and in other towns that you've been able to go to, then have a passport that shows that you have the mindset to travel and you are ready to do it when you have a passport. And then comes the question which many people fear. They say, I want to go to the US, but I know, I've heard that it's so difficult to get a visa. But I don't know, from whichever part of the world that you are in, do you know that your passport has power to take you from your country to another country without a visa? Yeah, there are so many countries that your passport can take you to that you don't have to have a visa with you? Have you gone to have you gone to your neighboring country? Maybe your very neighboring country doesn't require you to have a visa. Have you been there? If not, then you don't want to be a traveler. You've just been wishing, and I've met people who wish. And now you've got to have a dream, and then that dream, you've got to follow it. But there are many who have wishes and call them dreams. And I talked about that in my Achieve Your Dream workbook. That's a workbook I put together for anybody to achieve whatever dream they have. It has got the 7 ingredients for success. You can find it on my website. It's gonna be, find a link somewhere, maybe below this video or on the homepage of the channel. There could be a link to download that workbook, and then you go use it and succeed in your dream. So find out what your passport can do to make you a traveler. Like I discovered, a Kenyan passport can go to more than 50 countries, maybe 60, 70. Yeah, go find out. 70, up to close to 70 countries without having a visa. All you have to do is book your ticket to a bus or to a plane and go. Some you will just enter and nobody will ask you a question, and in some of those countries you will reach there, and then they will ask you for your passport, and they will give you a visa on arrival. So there are those countries that you go without the requirement of a visa, and some will give you a visa on arrival. Do you know about those countries? From whichever country you are, do you know how many countries your passport can allow you to go to? Have you tried to? That's simply how you become a traveler. Just have the mindset, start small, and do it. And just do it. And another good thing that could help you to achieve your dream faster in this case is link up with other travelers. Make friends with people who travel. They will tell you stories that will inspire you to make your next step, to book your next ticket to a destination that they are going to describe to you. So connect with people, because those people that you engage with on a daily basis, those people that you listen to, and even online, what the things that you listen to are going to influence the direction of your mind and eventually the steps that you're going to take in life. So for you to become a traveler, those are the steps you need to take. I wish you all success. Decide today that you want to be a traveler, and start today, not tomorrow, today. Go behind your locality in a place that you've not been to, and at the end of the day say, I'm a traveler and I traveled. This is your friend Anthony Merore, and until the next one, it's bye for now. Hey, remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed.